Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage or disable Snapchat Spotlight as much as possible. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone and log into your account if you're not already logged in. At the bottom of the screen, you will notice that the Spotlight tab, it looks like a small play button. So this is where all the Spotlight videos appear. Alright, so since Snapchat doesn't provide a full option to turn your Spotlight off completely, the best way to control it is by managing your preference. So here's the way. Whenever you see a Spotlight video you don't like, just simply press and hold on the video from the menu that pops up and tap Not Interested. This will help Snapchat understand what you don't want to see and you use similar content in the future. And that's it. While you can completely disable Spotlight, you can minimize and control what you see. So thanks for watching and see you next time.